What's up, everyone? I've got a rust-free 99 3/4 ton four-wheel drive Suburban. This has the 7.4 big block engine, runs excellent. It's got about 153,000 miles on it. Runs good, drives around the lot good. The four-wheel drive works good. It's got some very faded, peeling paint. But boy, is it nice underneath. Zero rust. It's got a dent there from, looks like a trailer mishap. Interior needs seat covers. Carpet needs a lot of scrubbing. 153,422. Runs great. Dirty, nasty console. It's got second row seat and the third row seat. Headliner looks nice. Door panel's nice. Windshield looks good. Engine's nice and quiet. Air conditioning does not blow cold. Needs 2 mirrors. Very faded. So if you're looking for a rust-free 3/4 ton Suburban project, this is a pretty good one. Runs good, drives around a lot good, and the four-wheel drive works. Yes, it probably needs some general maintenance gone over on it. No, we do not allow test drives. No, we do not finance. If you want to hear it run and drive it around in my parking lot, show up with a trailer, and we can make that happen. Send us an email or give us a call if you want to come see this. Rust-free 99 3/4 ton heavy-duty Suburban, four-wheel drive. Thanks for watching.